How to connect the TX7130 conventional reflective beam detector. Before wiring, make sure the power supply is off. Mount the detector base using the supplied bracket and 4 ST4X30 screws. Then mount the reflective mirror on the opposite wall, one mirror for up to 40 meters, 4 mirrors for 40 to 100 meters. Connect the 24-volt DC power supply to terminals D1 positive and D2 negative. Terminals HJ1 and HJ2 carry the fire relay output. And GZ1 and GZ2 carry the fault relay output. To set the span and sensitivity, use dip switch SW2 or connect the handheld programmer to terminals S1 and S2 with the detector powered off. Remove the detector cover and power on the device. Place the supplied magnetic tool alongside the red switch. When the green LED turns on steadily or blinking, take out the tool to start the auto alignment process. Locate the mark, loosen the screw and adjust the horizontal or vertical adjustment wheel until the laser beam mark is at the center of the mirror. Number 8 indicates the signal intensity. Try to reach signal acceptable adjustment, however, for long path span number 2 or 3 is acceptable adjustment. Insert the detector cover and screw the 4 sides of the detector. Place the magnetic tool alongside the ID marked and take out the tool after green LED, HL1, turns off. Using supplied opaque/translucent materials, cover 1/2 of the beam detector to simulate the translucent portion of the material. With less than 30 seconds the red LED, fire, will turn on steady, indicating fire signal. And that's how you connect the TX7130 conventional reflective beam detector to the control panel.